Good day. So today is Thursday, December 11, 2025. So now I will try to discuss insurance, Presidential Decree 612 as amended by Republic Act 10,607. So insurance law, insurance law. So our textbook here will be uh, insurance law by Timothy Aquino, and we have also by Martires. Martires. So you can have other source involving insurance law. But for me, I use Timothy Aquino and Martires. So what is insurance law? So in 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 the eyes of the ordinary prudent man, when we say insurance law, these are the insurance in, for example, uh, car insurance. So if you remember, when you get uh, license i- renewal renewal of your sticker in LTO, you need to get an insurance. Okay, so aside from that, you will get we have also life insurance, so we can see a lot of salesmen uh, selling uh, life insurance. Okay, so then uh, we have the insurable interest. So when we say insurable interest. Okay, so remember, as they have said, uh, you cannot be a lawyer by failing one bar subject. So for example, in commercial law, because this is in commercial law. So for example, you fail in commercial law, then you got 100% in all subjects. But in commercial law, you got zero in commercial law. So means to say, you cannot be a lawyer. Because the law, to be included in the bar, you must have uh, balance attack. You must have uh, at least more than 75%. Actually now it's 80%, more than 80% in all bar subjects. So let's go to insurable interest. Insurable interest, insurable interest is the one who has, for example, if if for example if Pedro as his wife, and they say he has paramour. So in this scenario, for example, he has also children with a paramour. Let's say child 1, 2, and 3. And with the wife, uh, A, B. So, for example, if there is an insurance for Pedro for a contingent event, for example, uh, unfortunately he died, uh, but concealing that he has uh, ulcer. He conceals that he has ulcer. So then he died, but he died in uh, plane crash. So halimbawa, nagsakay siya ng eroplano, tapos yung eroplano bumagsak. Tapos may natirang may isang naiwan pero hindi pa rin siya. So he can claim for interest for the insurance, and the one with insurable interest is not his paramour, because paramour in the eyes of law has no force and effect. So but his wife, the legal wife, has the uh, tooth of law to have the claim for the insurance. So that's an example of insurable interest. So then we have we have properties. For example, arson. No. Building. So building, for example, it was gutted by fire, then it has insurance also. So it depends on the claim. So trabaho na ng mga abogado ang pag-claim ng insurance. So maigi na hindi kayo hindi dapat mag-claim ng insurance na kayo-kayo lang, kasi baka akalain nyo na minamaltrato kayo, pero ang sa katotohanan na hindi nyo lang po alam kung ano ang mga technicalities ng batas. So that's it. So I think I can discuss it further later, or this is enough. We have reinsurance, reinsurer, among others. Thank you, good day, and God bless.